In chapter 4 climate, today we are going to do the mechanism of Indian monsoon. To understand the mechanism of monsoon, we need to understand the following factor. One is distribution of air pressure and wind on the surface of earth. Then it is upper air circulation, this is called jet stream. And the two cyclone, what is inflow of western cyclone during the winters, and it is tropical depression, that is a tropical cyclone during the southwest monsoon season. The mechanism of Indian monsoon can be divided into two parts. One is the winter monsoon, another is summer monsoon. Today in this video I will explain about the mechanism of weather in the winter season. As you know this thing, when we see the geographical feature, this is Indian subcontinent which is surrounded by Indian Ocean from its south, and here this is a mountain wall Himalaya, and in the north of Himalaya this is Tibetan highland. Exactly what happened during the winter, a cold season. During this, the entire landmass of Asia became a center of high pressure, especially this region, Tibetan highland and this northwestern part of India. An extensive but powerful anticyclone is centered over the Mongolia, from which this here in Mongolian region. A high pressure area developed from which a dry and stable air outblow in the form of cold waves. But these cold waves do not reach India because the protective wall, these winds blow toward the south, but this protective wall raised by the Himalaya, it stopped them. A secondary high pressure developed over Kashmir and the Punjab region. This high pressure area controls the prevailing winds, permanent wind direction over the rest of the continent. Contrary to the pressure condition over the land, it's a high pressure area, but over the oceanic part there is a low pressure area. There is low pressure center from over the Indian Ocean in the Arabian Sea and here in the southern part of Indian Ocean. In the cold season, therefore, a pressure gradient from land to sea formed, as a result of which wind begin to move from land to sea. There are northwest or the winter monsoon of northern hemisphere. In the vast Gangetic plain, this is Gangetic plain, this is Indus Ganga Brahmaputra plain in the south of Himalaya. The direction of cold wind is northwesterlies. It's come from northwest and blow toward the Bay of Bengal. In peninsular India, wind direction vary from northeasterly to easterly. The wind in the Sindh and Gujarat are usually northeasterlies. During winter all over the country, the winds are light and variable. The anticyclone winds are dry and have no capacity to do precipitation. Since these winds originate, because these winds which are northeast monsoon winds, they are blowing from land to sea, that is why they are dry. They do not have capacity to do rainfall, right? These winds originate over the on the land and are offshore. They produce dry and fine weather. Certain areas of India gets winter rainfall. The plains of Punjab here and Uttar Pradesh are visited by a number of western cyclonic disturbance which give moderate to scanty rainfall here, and these western cyclonic disturbance come from the Mediterranean Sea this side, They come from this side, Mediterranean Sea, and passing through Arabian Peninsula reaches here, and they cause rainfall over here in the northwestern part of India. The Punjab, the Uttar Pradesh receive some amount of rainfall during the winter season, and the area of winter precipitation to the north parallel to this region of the Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is extended from Punjab Plain to this central Ganga Plain. At a matter of rule, the westerlize cyclonic disturbance disintegrate before they reaches here in Bengal. The higher slope of Himalaya ranges receive heavy rainfall, especially in form of snowfall. This do not rainfall, it is snowfall. Higher up in the north mountainous region, there may be occasional snowfall, we can say. The southern part of Indian peninsula receive rainfall from the northeastern monsoon. These because this monsoon they when they passes from this Ganga plain, and as they reaches to the Bay of Bengal, while traveling to the Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture from here, from the warm oceanic surface. The amount of winter rainfall on the eastern side of peninsula here, this side, is much heavier than the other side. And it is also important to note that the shallow depression give winter precipitation to the northern plain of India are different origin. Some of these cyclonic storms are of Mediterranean origin, and they travel to the Indian subcontinent via Central Asia. They rises from the Mediterranean Sea and passing through this Central Asia. On the other hand, a number of storms may originate in the highlands situated to the west of subcontinent. The Central Asia have a higher pressure system which force them to follow a more southerly track. Later on, their movement is controlled by the Himalaya, because as they reaches here, they are controlled by Himalaya. They run parallel to the south of Himalaya in the northern plains, right? This is all about winter monsoon. Thank you.